This is specifically for my weight weenies. Yo, this is the Galfer bike rotors. I don't know how I came across these. I was just looking for a different alternative, right? I wanted something that was different, and I wanted something light because I was trying to lighten up my Factor Austral vamp, and this is what I came up with. Now, a lot of people think the only lightweight option is DuraAce, and that is not the case, bro. That is not the case, and I really like the design of these, but let's get this open. I'm going to show you like what they look like, get a little weight comparison, and that should be about it. So this video should not be long at all, but let's get inside here. Look at this rotor. This is a good rotor. It's a good looking rotor. They make a couple different sizes. They have them in the 140, a 160, and a 180. I like the very minimalist design. Snatch this out. Look at this. And this is a center lock. Ooh, that is a good looking rotor. Man, that's clean. This is the 140. I'm going to a 140 setup. Before I was running a 140 out back and a 160 up front. But like I said, to save just a little bit more weight, I will go 140. It comes with the rotor and it comes with the lock ring. Let me see. There you go. Looks kind of weird. So this is a rotor that everyone's familiar with. This is like that kind of DuraAce type of rotor. Granted, this is a 160 rotor, so it's not a gram for gram comparison, but just to show you how much of a difference these dang on rotors weigh. And I also have a standard Shimano lock ring that comes with that. So what we're going to do is weigh them up and see what the difference is in the weight savings, weight comparison. So hold that thought. All right, so let's get this scale on. So like I said, it's not a specific gram for gram because this is a 160. I have a 140, but it's currently installed on my bike and I'm not taking it off right now. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the 160 DuraAce joint. This is 105 grams, right? Now the lock ring is 8 grams. So the whole system together with the rotor and the lock ring is 113 grams. Now, like I said, what is this? 105, 106? The Galfer 140. What does it say? The claim weight was 76. All right, it is 78 grams. I'm feeling that. With the lock ring set up, 91 grams. So let me see. 91 and 113. So you can save a little bit of weight. You got something a little different bling. And let me see the lock ring comparison real quick. That's an 8 gram. And that's a 12 gram. So to be honest, what I'm going to do is use the Galfer joint with the Shimano lock ring since it is lighter. 87 grams. Can't beat that, bro. But that's all I got for y'all. Check them out. It is a very inexpensive rotor. Way cheaper than DuraAce. Way lighter. Get something different, man. Be different, bro. That's all I got for you. I'm out.